magic ring. Hold the yarn on your left side. Use 2 fingers. Hold it. Wrap it to your 2 fingers from front to the behind, and then take out your hook. Insert the hook from the inner part and then pull it up, and then take out the behind yarn out. Okay, then slightly pull it. Okay, so this is the magic ring. Now we continue to make 6 single crochet in this magic ring. Make a 1 chain. We continue with 6 single crochet into the center of the magic ring. Clockwise, pull out the yarn over, pull out both loops. This is 1 single crochet. Continue in the center of the magic ring, pull out 1 yarn, and then yarn over and pull through both loops out. 2 single crochet. Repeat 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet, 6 single crochet. Okay, then with the yarn tail, pull it tight. This is a magic ring with no loop, no hole inside the ring.